My name is Gavin Cline. I'm a freshman studying business management and finance, and I'm a student ambassador for the Commercialization and Innovation Leadership Program at LaunchBlue. I think it's really changed my career path as it's opened me up to all these different possibilities of things I can do and all the great people I've met, both the startup founders, their team members, as well as just my colleagues and the various members of the community. So it's really allowed me to see how much there is out there to do, because frankly, when I first thought of entrepreneurship, I was just thinking of simple businesses, startup, all focused on money, but seeing all the different types of innovation there is in this community just really has opened me up to a world of new possibilities. So my time as a student ambassador through LaunchBlue has really helped with my time in InvestBlue, because in the end, it's a community dedicated to helping innovation. And while InvestBlue is much more specified on startups, especially like fintech and tech-oriented startups in the Kentucky area, it's really just helping fund innovation and help get that alive in the state of Kentucky. If I could say one thing to someone considering supporting LaunchBlue, I would say please do, because it is a transformative experience for the students that undergo this program. And it is really beneficial, not just to them, but to their communities as a whole, because it allows them to bring this experience and expand it into their overall community and have an amazing network effect.
Support LaunchBlue!